Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to practice our English with a simple, everyday conversation. This is a great way to improve your listening and speaking skills. Are you ready? Let's start. Hi there, how are you doing today? I'm doing pretty well, thanks for asking. This morning, I woke up nice and early, had a good breakfast, and then went for a lovely short walk. It was so relaxing. For breakfast, I had some eggs, a piece of bread, and a warm cup of coffee. What about you? Did you have breakfast? Oh, just coffee. You must have been in a hurry. You really should try to eat breakfast every day. It's such an important meal. I know, it's not always easy. So, what am I up to right now? Well, I'm actually studying English. I really want to get better at speaking and feel more confident. I've been learning for about a year now, but honestly, I still feel a bit shy when I have to speak. I guess it's normal, right? Practice makes perfect, they say. That's exactly why I enjoy having little chats like this one. It's so helpful. I really try to use English every single day. I watch a lot of videos, listen to music, and read simple articles or stories. I find it as a great method to learn new words and get used to the sounds of the language. When it comes to music, I'm a big fan of slow songs. Why? Because the lyrics are usually easier to understand and I can sing along. Let's talk about work. Yes, I do have a job. I'm working part-time at the moment. But in the future, I'm hoping to find a better job, something I'm really passionate about. My dream is to either work online, maybe as a freelancer, or join an international company where I can use my skills. I know that being fluent in English will really help me achieve that goal. It's a huge motivation for me to keep learning and improving. It's what keeps me going. So, any exciting plans for the upcoming weekend? I do actually. I'm going to visit my family and just take some time to relax and recharge. I'm not traveling far, just a short trip to see them. Sometimes those short trips are the best ones. They don't require a lot of planning, and you can just enjoy the moment. I totally agree with that. What about you? What are you going to do this weekend? Oh, staying home to watch movies and study. Studying on the weekend. Wow, you are very serious about your goals. That's really inspiring. I always try to do my best and work on improving myself. Wow, look at the time. It's almost 6 p.m. already. Time really flies when you're having a good conversation, doesn't it? I honestly enjoyed this chat so much. Me too. It was great practice. Hey, how about we do this again tomorrow? That sounds like a fantastic idea. Alright, that's it for our conversation practice today. I really hope you enjoyed it and found it helpful. Let's do this again soon. Have a wonderful evening and goodbye for now. Thanks for watching.